Hello everyone, am I still audible? For a while lang kinawala ang tututog. All right, now let's proceed. Okay, our warm up consists of four dynamic exercises with 1 minute allotted for each movement. Let's briefly go over them. We have here the arm circles. Arm circles activate the shoulders and the upper body muscles while performing and improving mobility. Next, we have the jumping jacks. Jumping jacks increases the heart rate and activate almost every major muscle group, preparing the entire body for the workout ahead. Next is we have the hip rotations. This loosens the hip joints and prepare the lower body for movements such as squats and jumping. Lastly, we have the leg swing. Now, this movement increases the flexibility of our hips and legs while improving our range of motions. Now, class, remember, warm ups are also called dynamic because our body is continuously moving. Unlike stretching after exercising, this movements help or helps wake up our muscles and gradually increases our heart rate. Now, before we continue, kindly type ready in the chat if you're warmed up and excited for our main workout. Okay, so everybody is ready. Now that our body is prepared, let us begin in our first exercise.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, now,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. We will now begin on our main workout, which consists of body weight exercises only. One reason we choose body weight exercises is because every student can perform them at home without needing expensive gym equipment. So each exercises follow the same format: 30 seconds of the activity and 15 seconds of the rest. This allows enough time to perform the exercise while giving your body a short recovery before moving on. Now let's begin with jump squats. Before trying the movement, please observe the video. Okay, notice that the feet are shoulder width apart. Then bend the knees into a squat position. Jump upward, then land softly. Landing softly is very important because it protects our knees and ankles from unnecessary impact. So this exercises strengthen our quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, while also improving balance and lower body power. So if you're a beginner, you don't have to jump. You may simply perform regular squats, and that's perfectly okay. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Now that let's continue with our second exercise. Next is the high knees. Compared to jump squats, this exercise slightly increases the intensity because it continuously keeps the body moving. Now observe the video. Okay, in high knees, stand tall, lift one knee toward your chest, alternate your legs while naturally swinging your arms. Keep your back straight and lunge gently. High knees improve cardiovascular endurance, coordination, agility, and lower body strength. For beginners, you may simply march in place before increasing your speed. Okay, remember again, always perform the movement according to your own fitness level. Now, quick Zoom challenge. Type one word in the chat describing how you think you'll feel after doing high knees for 30 seconds. Okay, I can already see words like tired. That's completely normal because our heart is working harder to deliver oxygen throughout our body.
All right, welcome back, everyone. I hope you've already noticed that our exercise has becoming slightly more challenging. Am I right? Now that's intentional because our workout follows a logistic progression from easier movements to more demanding ones, allowing your body to adapt safely. Now our next activity is mountain climbers. Climbers. Okay, so yes. The next one is we have the burpees. Now that you have reached the final most challenging exercise for today's workout, burpees combine strength, endurance, coordination, and cardiovascular fitness into one full body exercise. Now, as you can see, that burpees is most likely demonstrating into a high jumping that feels very difficult. Simply walk your feet backwards one at a time. Now, once you are comfortable, you may gradually progress to the full movement. Notice how today's workout followed a clear sequence. We started with a moderate exercise, then gradually increased to the intensity until we reached the burpees. Now, this progression helps the beginners to exercise safely without overwhelming their bodies. Now, before we continue, kindly send a thumbs up reaction if all of the exercises have becoming more complex.
Okay, thank you, Felicity. Now that we've completed our workout, it's time to check our progress. Exercising isn't only about finishing the activities, it's also important to reflect on our performance and the identity areas where we can improve. Since this module is designed for students to use independently at home, we included simple self-assessment tools that they can accomplish even without a teacher physically present. This helps learners become more responsible for monitoring their own progress. So the first assessment tool is our RIP tracker. Student record the number of jump squats they completed in 30 seconds. there is no perfect score. The purpose of simply to compare today's performance with future workouts. Our second assessment tool is the rate of perceived exertions, or RPE scale. This scale allows students to rate how difficult the workout felt using numbers 1 to 10, where 1 means very easy and 10 means very hard. Instead of comparing themselves with others, students evaluate how their own body responded during the activity. We also included a reflection question asking which exercises was the most challenging for you. This encouraged students to think about their experience and recognize which skills they still need to improve. And finally, students set personal fitness goals for their next workout, such as performing 2 or more repetitions or exercising 5 seconds longer. So this teaches learners that improvement happens gradually through consistency and practice. Now let's try using the RPE scale. Kindly type a number from 1 to 10 in the Zoom chat based on the today's demonstration. How challenging do you think this workout would be for you? Okay, thank you.
Let's go. Thank you, Miss Glazell. Now, let's proceed to the next slide, please. Next slide, please. Okay, now many people think that once the workout is finished, the session is already over. However, the cool down is just as important as warm up. Instead of stopping suddenly, we allow our heart rate to gradually return to normal while relaxing our muscles. Our cool down consists of three static stretches, and each stretch held for 40 seconds. These are the hamstring stretch, quadriceps stretch, and the child pose stretch. Now, to conclude our lesson, our 20-minute cardio burn home workout module was carefully designed for us beginners to safely perform at home. It follows a WSA structure by including a dynamic warm up, a logistic sequence of body weight exercise from easier to more challenging activities, self assessment tools, and allow students to monitor their own progress, and a static cool down static cool down to promote recovery. Most importantly, our module uses clear instructions, simple language, safety reminders, and beginner-friendly progress, making it easier for students to follow independently even without direct teacher supervision. As future educator, our goal is not only teach students how to exercise, but to help them develop healthier habits and then they can continue throughout their lives. Before we officially end this class, I'd like everyone to give yourselves a big round of applause by clicking the applause reaction because you are doing an amazing job today. Now, on behalf of our group, thank you so much. Thank you, Ma'am Jen, and thank you everyone for your time, participation, and support. Always remember, every step you take forward, a healthier lifestyle is already a success. Once again, thank you everyone for having a wonderful day.
All right, thank you so much, Group 4, for that a very insightful discussion. And now we'll proceed to the next group. I will wait for your signal if you are all ready to start your demonstration.
Isa na eh. Alis agad eh.